Learn what the professionals don't want you to know about treating acid reflux. Does the thought of an ooey, gooey grilled cheese sandwich make you cringe? Or does a peanut butter and jelly sandwich make your esophagus close up tightly? Sounds like you have acid reflux and need answers for your problem. They're found in the video below, which details how to deal with your dilemma. Slow down. When you eat more slowly, your body is able to keep up with what is being deposited in your stomach. This means that it will know that it is full when it truly is full, and you will eat less. If you overeat, you'll find your acid reflux goes crazy. Limit your liquid intake with meals if you're prone to acid reflux. Even healthy beverages like water can fill up your stomach fast, creating conditions that are conducive to acid reflux. Sip your beverage conservatively and never gulp it down. Wait a half an hour after a big meal to enjoy quenching your thirst. Skinny jeans are the enemy of the acid reflux sufferer. Wearing tight clothes can block up your digestive system, causing you a great deal of pain when acid begins to back up. Go for elastic waistbands until you have your acid reflux under control, then you can consider getting back into your tight-fitting pants. Avoid eating large quantities of food that contain a lot of acid. This may cause you to experience heartburn and other acid reflux symptoms. These foods include grapefruit, vinegar, lemons and tomatoes. If you are going to eat these foods, make sure that you are very mindful of the portion size. Drinking a large amount of liquid while eating can lead to acid reflux. You may not think about it, but liquids also add to the volume of food in your stomach. When the volume of food is too great, it overpowers your body's resources to keep food in your stomach. Limit the amount of liquid you drink while eating, or only drink between meals. Eating slower has been shown to help with the symptoms of acid reflux. This gives your stomach a chance to adjust to the food that you are taking in. Try chewing your food a minimum of 25 times and really savor the food you are eating. Eat only until you are comfortably full and never till you are stuffed. Instituting a moderate exercise program can help alleviate some of the symptoms of your acid reflux. It is important that this exercise be moderate. Vigorous exercises can cause acid reflux. However, low-impact exercises, such as walking, can really help your symptoms. In addition, they ensure your body is upright, allowing gravity to work in your favor, helping digestion. Another benefit is exercising will help you shed your extra pounds, which can help reduce the effects of acid reflux. Now you can avoid the grilled cheese and peanut butter sandwiches and instead focus on eating right for your condition. You can alter your lifestyle to include habits which are beneficial to your comfort. Once you start making these changes, feeling great won't be far behind, so get down to work today. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.